Hello guys, in this video we will see how to restrict user connections and connection limit to database in PostgreSQL server. See, by default, if you go to users, right click on any user, properties, definition, see here connection limit is -1, which means there is no limit to user can connect to any number of sessions to this server. But if you want to restrict only one session per user for this database, right click on it and then you have to give the in definition you have to give 1. Then if you go select, see here, this is the command. If you don't want users to not allow, you have to give not allow to connect to server, you have to give 0. So user will be not connected. This is GUI method. But if you want to set the same, connect to any database, right click, query tool. These commands can be executed in PSQL shell also or PSQL tool. Select. First we will see for the user, then we will see connection limit for the database level. Alter user, username David, connection limit to 1. Select it, select all. See, it is successfully set. If you go to right click on it, if you go to the properties, definition, see here we have the 1. But after this, see, I have already one session. See, I have already one session with David user. See, username is David. Now, if we try to connect another session, servers register David to, you provide the username as David 2. Then provide the password. Then provide the localhost. You can give your IP or PostgreSQL server host name. Click on save. See here, unable to. It is saying password. Okay, it is not David 2. Click on save. See here the error. Fatal. Too many connections for the user David. Okay, why? Because why we have received, because we have set the connection limit to 1. Okay, this is the way to restrict or allow number of connection to user and database in PostgreSQL server. For more PostgreSQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.